Hello guys and welcome to Crypto Gems. In today's video we're going to talk about why esports, which is the largest esports platform in the Web3 environment. Obviously nothing I say on this channel is financial advice, so always go away and do your own research before investing any of your own money. Without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Jumping over to the why esports platform then guys, which is as always linked down below in the description, you can see that they're launching esports into Web3. Obviously esports is an enormous industry combining sports and computer gaming. Obviously it's been going for a very long time and is always growing year on year. So obviously with the introduction of Web3 there was always going to be a platform that was going to support esports, and because of the size of the industry etc, it's potentially going to be a very exciting project to keep your eyes on. So jumping now through guys, you can see that it's the single biggest venue for esport fan engagement, with loads of different companies already partnering up with this platform. Currently there's 500 million esports fans worldwide, so you can already see there's going to be a huge interest in a project like this. They're looking to change the game with why esports, and there's a variety of different ways in which they're going to do it, from white glove Web3 services, private team metaverse. It's going to be powered by the YESP token. There's going to be a utility first NFTs as well as an NFT marketplace. And we're going to take a look at all of these different features today. First of all, jumping in and looking at the white glove Web3 services. So enter Web3 with our white glove esports strategy and go to a market services. We make it easy for teams to utilize the benefit of Web3 to engage with their fans from anywhere in the world in new and exciting ways. So if you are an esports fan or you enjoy playing esports games, there's always going to be potential ways now for you to be able to monetize it through a platform like this. If you're interested in joining guys, all you have to do is click on join why esports. They're also going to be introducing an NFT marketplace where you can trade your team NFTs on the largest esports centric NFT marketplace in the world, built on an easy to use blockchain, the Polygon network, which obviously is significantly cheaper than using things like the Ethereum network, which obviously at the moment has those high gas fees. This will enable easy adoption for Web3 with why esports. Each team will get their own NFT storefront for their fans. There's going to be NFTs which are focusing more on the utility side of things. Obviously at the moment we've seen a huge boom in basic artwork type NFTs, but it's starting to transition very quickly into types of NFTs where you need lots of utility for them to become popular. So you can see that by holding these NFTs you're going to be able to interact with your favorite fans in the physical and digital world with utility first NFT access cards. NFT packs, rare ones, they help teams to strategize and unlock NFTs that unlock utility exclusive to each team, such as major esports events, signed merchandise, player meet and greets, gaming sessions and much more. And obviously guys, sports etc, the popularity of sports, they're gonna be potentially interested in joining up with platforms like this. And as well as that, there's gonna be private team metaverses where you can trade your team's NFT on the largest esports centric NFT marketplace in the world. And all of this is gonna be powered by their new token, which is the YESP token. YESP holders will receive a host of benefits including access to platform NFTs, marketplace discounts, rare NFT drops, staking rewards, and voting governance rights. As I've already mentioned guys, these are some of the teams that have already been signed, but you are looking to potentially see more and more signs, being that they're going to position themselves as the biggest Web3 esports platform going. You can see that looking through their roadmap, a lot of this platform is about rewarding people who engage with the platform, where you've got things like being able to stake various tokens as well as governance etc that you can get by holding tokens. There's going to be play to earn games and virtual clubhouses in the future, as well as team and fan token exploration. One other thing I want to point out is the why esports metaverse alpha, where you can benefit from being part of an alpha group and understanding about potential opportunities within the space to make good investments etc. Now obviously guys, website is linked down below, and all you've got to do to come and find out more information about when launches for things are going to happen as well as whitelist registration is just come and click on join why esports. That's going to bring you down to all of the social media accounts that are available. Coming across to the Twitter platform then guys, you can see that they have all the information about when they'll be launching different platforms on the Launchpad, launching esports into Web3, and you can find out more by following them here and by liking and retweeting etc all of their posts. Then there's always a chance of winning giveaways etc. I always tell people that if you're interested in getting involved in crypto and NFTs but perhaps don't have the initial money to be able to invest, and there's lots of things you can do in helping communities grow, and they'll reward you for doing so with various giveaways etc. So make sure you come across and check out the Twitter as well. Jumping across then to this story from VentureBeat.com, you can see how the metaverse could unlock sustainable revenue models for esports, you can see that there's a lot of data here telling us about the popularity of esports and how they continue to grow into the future, with an estimated 29.6 million monthly esports viewers in 2022, which was up by 11.5% from the previous year. That's only expected to continue to grow. Now, using things like NFTs is another way to create more revenue streams for different teams and people engaging within the community. As already mentioned, there's going to be various NFTs as well as virtual spaces where fans can have online clubhouses and share their content, etc., with people within their fan base. They're going to have virtual clubhouses where you can kind of interact with your fans, etc., around the world and share different content with them, and then they can kind of help you perhaps to build your own community within that environment. Esports is expected to have a market cap of around $3 billion in 2025, which is just 3 years away. It's already been a super successful industry and is expected to continue its growth exponentially into the future. Obviously, in the past, you may have collected cards for various different sports teams when you were younger, and now there's another way in which you can trade your different NFTs, perhaps of your favorite teams, in order to be able to make an income. And if you're staking them, etc., then you can not only help your team to benefit, but also gain revenue yourself in the form of a passive income. You can see that in terms of platforms in which you're going to be able to buy the token, you can see that you're going to have MEXC available for that. As well as that, there's loads of different news stories and things in the press where you can come and find out more information about the industry as well as this platform and how it is going to be launching in the future. Particularly this one here where you've got 26 questions with the Yesports CEO, Sebastian Quinn. What's really cool, and I recommend, guys, if you come over to this one here, you can click on the link and it's going to take you across to an interview with the CEO where he'll answer 26 questions about the platform. It's around 20 minutes long, so I'm not going to show it now because that will be a waste of your time and you obviously only want the key details. Just to recap, why esports is the largest Web3 esports platform in the world, with lots of huge esports teams joining onto the platform. It's no wonder that this platform was very oversubscribed in its initial round of investment. If you want to come and find out more about this website, then make sure you click on the link down below and you can find out way more about the platform, as well as go and check out the blogs and all of the news articles that I've talked about today. As well as that, make sure you go over and join up to their social media, because there's going to be lots of ways for you to interact with the team, as well as get yourself in with a chance of winning at various giveaways and whitelist spots, etc. Guys, if you got some value out of today's video, then make sure you smash the like button. Thanks very much for doing that. It helps us out more than you know. And if you're new to crypto, the metaverse and NFTs, and you want to find out more about them, then make sure you subscribe to Crypto Gems to be kept up to date with all of the latest happening. Thanks very much for watching, guys, and I'll see you soon with another video. Bye bye.